rainy day. But damn it, I seen a truck I gotta get. He's about to get out of it too. I gotta get this one. This thing is beautiful. I don't know where NFI is going, but I'm trying to get over here to get this truck real quick. I gotta get a video of this thing, man. This thing is beautiful, man.
Go ahead.
What are you hauling with that? That's a 48, right?
50.
50? Okay.
Yep.
Man, that thing looks good, man. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Shoot. Pressure. Come on, fellas. Ladies, gentlemen, everybody. This thing right here. If there was a statement to be made, it's being made right now. Look at that. Shiny hiney on that bad boy. Yeah, man. This guy's doing it. He's doing it. Maybe when he comes back and see if he can turn the lights on for me, because that's where I seen it. I seen it lit up when he came in here, and I couldn't wait to get a picture of it, video of it. This is the kind of stuff that just inspires me not to give up. What does that say? Chance to transport. I like that. This thing is so pretty. This thing is so sexy. Yup, I can roll like that. Now let me go and get back over here in this Peterbilt. Get back to making the money so I can try to get my stuff looking like that, because whoo, man. Some of these new age trucks, man, people doing them right. People doing them right. They figuring it out. However they figuring it out, they figuring it out. I guarantee you got something else, a different truck, because with that color of that trailer, you're not doing a trailer all the way up like that and not having something that's cream and burgundy. Something. He got something going on. He must have it put up because the weather's about to change or something. But that's still a bad machine right there. Let's go. Let's get a few minutes of seeing what it's like to ride low in a Peterbilt. You know how guys like the seat on the floor. This the seat on the floor view for y'all. We'll give y'all the seat on the floor view Peterbilt. Just gonna try to put it right in my eye level. So y'all can see how this is like better off. Yeah, I think that's better off. What it's like driving a big truck. Big old Peterbilt, seat on the floor. It's really windy right now. It kind of made the trip kind of miserable because I got a tank back there. It's been a kind of miserable because of the fact that it wants to blow you all over the road while you're just trying to cruise. But this is my eye level right here with a big hood. Just cruising along. This is all you get to see. I got some videos earlier. This car tried to cut me off. You know, they don't know how to read lane close signs. Trying to cut off the big rig. They rather die than read a sign. But yeah, this ain't nothing spectacular. Just a quick little video that see what it feels like to look over the hood while going down the road. It's empty right now, so it doesn't make as much noise because it's got a VGT turbo on it still. Just sitting at about 20 pounds right now. This dairy here, you're just cruising along and then, oh, there it is. Watch this. It's like nothing nobody's ever seen before. The reefer warehouse they built, I seen this the other day, a couple months back. Back there, right? Watch this. Watch this. I ain't never seen nothing like this. It's a little ass street here. And then boom. Get in line. At the end of the street. You want to talk about confused first time you come here? Like, am I supposed to come down this street? Or what do I do? Yeah. Get in line. Get in line for nap time.